Hey guys, it's your girl Renee from Renee's Garden Adventure, and I'm giving my update on my GOGC 2425, the Giant Onion Growing Challenge. And mine are doing pretty good. I put them under the fan to give them a little bit, trying to toughen them up a little bit. But I think what I'm going to do now is that I need to order the sticks that Pete have and I've seen everybody else using in order to give these plants some stability and make them stand up tall because they're getting so tall that they're starting to lean over. And I've seen everybody else video where their onions are like standing really, really tall. See how this one is? How it's leaning over, and I want mine to stand up tall like I've seen everybody else's. So I'm going to be ordering some of those sticks tonight, and hopefully I will be getting them soon. And then I can come back and I can give you another update on how my onions are doing. Now, I've seen you guys using the seaweed feed. What else do you guys recommend? Put it down in the comments for me. What else I should be feeding these onions with, because they're not like bulking up like I see you guys is. They're green looking. They look good, but I think once I get them to stand up straight, and then they have good support, I just need to feed them. So I was wondering if the seaweed liquid is the best course of action for my onions. I'm just so happy that my onions are still growing. Look at that. And they're starting to get those second stems on them, the little leaves. Well, not leaves, but stems. I have a lot of them that are getting that, like right there. And this one has like two of them, and it's starting to get a third one. So I know that they're doing good because have been I'm telling you, I've been watching you guys' videos, and you guys are keeping me motivated on to try to keep growing and growing and growing these onions. So I'm gonna hang in there. So I have clipped, because I watched Allie and she clipped off some of her onion tops. So I clipped off a few. I clipped off this one right here, and it grew really, really tall. See how tall it is? But I don't think I'm going to clip anymore because I saw Pete, and with him having that structure to hold them up, and they were getting really, really, the green part was getting really, really tall, and it was getting thicker. So I think that's my next course of action. I'm going to try to get to that stage of the growth of these Kelsey onions. So I just wanted to come on today so you guys could see how my onions were doing. They're hanging in there. I'm trying to keep them going. It's been a struggle, but as long as I still see green and they're not dying out, I think it's a win-win situation. And the onions that I have upstairs, I'll come back in another video and I'll give you an update on those, because I have two trays of these Kelsey onions. One, oh, and I'm growing mine under grow lights. That's how I am growing my onions, because I know some of you guys have no grow lights and some have grow lights. So I'm on the grow light team. Woohoo! Come on, onions. So, okay, I just wanted to give you this update of my Kelsey onions. So, that being said, I will keep you update. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will see you in the next update of my Kelsey onions.